Bought something with Klarna that didn't work out. In this video, I'll explain exactly how returns work and how you get your money back. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. The short answer is yes, you absolutely can return items you purchased using Klarna. The process is very straightforward. You initiate the return directly with the retailer, following their specific return policy and process. This is the same as if you had paid with a credit card. Once the retailer accepts the return and processes the refund, they notify Klarna. Klarna will then issue a refund for the amount you've paid so far. This refund will go directly back to the original payment method you used for the installments. Your remaining scheduled payments will be cancelled. A crucial pro tip: keep your return tracking number. Since the refund goes from the retailer to Klarna and then to you, having proof of return is essential in case there are any delays or issues with the refund processing. And just like that, you have the same consumer rights as with any other payment method. Returning items paid with Klarna is simple and secure. What's the most common reason you return online purchases? Wrong size, not as described, or changed your mind? To switch payment methods, subscribe for our next video on how to switch Klarna Pay Later to Pay Now. Thanks for watching.